Today, I'm going to be giving you 3 valid, vastly important reasons why you should never stop improving both your mind and your body. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. You're going to love it, and it's going to change your life. Alright guys, so the first reason you need to never stop improving your mind is simply because you as a human were built to always be improving yourself. The human body and the human mind is built to grow, it's built to improve, it's built to function, and you're never going to be truly happy if you're not working to improve some part of your life. So the first reason you simply, dodge the tree there, the first reason you simply need to never stop improving is simply so that you can feel fulfilled and you can feel happy, because this is what we are meant to do as humans. So that is number 1. I gotta get in my truck and I gotta get back to work because I'm at work right now. So I will see you guys in a few seconds with the second reason why you need to never stop improving. Alright guys, so the second reason to never stop improving is simply because you will feel awesome. So, I don't know if you've ever noticed this, but when you complete a level of a video game that you've been working really freaking hard on, or when you bench more than you've ever benched before, when you beat your personal best, what do? You feel awesome. Well, that's because the human body and the human brain is built to always be improving, to always be pushing its limits, and always struggling and trying. Alright guys, so that is the second reason you need to never stop pushing the envelope, trying and struggling to improve. But hey, I've got to grab something from my apartment here, so I'm gonna grab something and get out there and do a workout, do some parkour, and I will hit you up with the third and awesome final reason why you need to never stop improving. I will see you in a few seconds, so stay tuned. Well, I'm out here doing some free running. I'm on a roof up here. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, but I wanted to stop and give you the third reason why you need to never stop improving, and that is simple. It is because you're never going to achieve your highest self if you stop improving. You're never going to reach your ultimate goals. In fact, you're probably never going to reach any of your ultimate goals at all if you stop and if you don't continually keep improving, keep pushing, and keep trying. So that is the third and final reason. It's very simple. It's just simply because you're never going to reach what you want to be and who you want to be if you don't keep improving. Like, for example, I just hit the weight room after a long day of work, and then I'm like, well, I need to work on my free running. I need to work on some parkour moves. So I am out here doing that in the freaking 100 and something degree Reading heat, and I am up here on a 3rd story roof chilling and loving life and loving what I'm learning how to do. And so that is what you guys need to do as well. So never stop improving, because it's going to get you your highest self. So just to recap, the 3 reasons you need to never stop improving. The first reason is because we as humans are built to always be trying, always be struggling, and always be working to achieve more and new things. Second is because you'll feel great, you'll feel awesome, and you'll feel like you're getting something done in life. And third is simply because you're going to achieve your highest self. Now, I gotta get off this roof before somebody catches me, police or security, I don't really know. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'm gonna get some action shots of doing some of this fun stuff as soon as I get a GoPro. But for right now, you're just gonna have to live with what I got. I apologize, I'm so sorry. But hey, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Catch you later.